logical reaction. When we demonstrated our superior weapons, they should have fled.
You mean they should have respected us?
Of course.
Mr. Spock, respect is a rational process. Did it ever occur to you they might react emotionally? With anger?
Doctor, I'm not responsible for their unpredictability.
They were perfectly predictable.
Welcome to this video today, which is all about Forex trading tips for success. And in this video, I want to give you the real secret of making money long term from the Forex markets. But before I get to that, I just want to discuss that short video clip I did on the way in, which is from the classic TV series Star Trek. And we have Spock being his cold, rational, logical self, not showing any emotions. And I've done this for a reason, because most traders who come into the markets overestimate how important logic, knowledge and complexity is in terms of achieving Forex trading success. And they also underestimate how important trader psychology is. And the traders who lose tend to fall into two main groups. The first group believes that there's some inner code to the market, it's scientific, it's logical, it's rational, and they try and use systems that trade the same way all the time, and they end up losing money. And the reason they do is because the Forex markets do not move to a scientific code, despite what people might tell you, or logic. They're pretty chaotic. I mean, they're made up of humans. Humans are totally unpredictable. They cannot be modeled to science. So using complicated systems or very logical systems very often doesn't work in the Forex markets. What you need to do is, if you want to make money, is you need a flexible set of rules and be able to apply them to each individual chart setup. It can be a very, very simple system, but you do need to think about what you're doing. Now, a second group of traders underestimate the impact of emotion when they come to trade. They hear all about you need to keep your losses small, you need to trade with discipline, etc. But when they actually enter the real world of Forex trading, they simply cannot do it. And they're unprepared for what the Forex markets are going to do in terms of generating emotions within them. And we're all emotional beings, and the problem that most traders have when they trade Forex is as soon as they hit a string of losses, that's a few losses in a row, they start to lose confidence in their trading, and they start to deviate from their system. They let losses run, they cut profits early, or they chop and change systems in search of the perfect one. And they basically cannot control themselves and trade with discipline. If you cannot follow a trading strategy as it's set out, then basically you don't have a strategy. And there's many traders who have simple strategy which can make money, but they fail to make money with them because they cannot maintain discipline. So how do you overcome this problem? Well, the simple answer is be prepared to suffer losses. Okay, it doesn't matter if you lose a few trades on the trot. It really doesn't. As long as you keep those losses small, you'll preserve your equity, so you can then basically run your profitable trades. And there's a big misconception among new traders about how many trades you're going to win when you come in the Forex markets. You see a lot of hype on the net about winning 70–80% of the time. That's not the real world. You're probably going to win about half your trades, but it doesn't matter. It's not the ratio of winners to losers that matters, it's how big the profits are against the losses that is the important factor. So basically, losses are part of the game. Any successful business will have a lot of small losses. It could be lighting, heating, staff overhead, fuel, whatever it might be. But they aim to make up for these small losses by generating more on the other side in sales. And Forex is the same. You just need to keep your losses small and run your profits, and you'll win. And if you look at Forex markets, there's a statistic that remains constant. It's the number of winners to losers. 90% of traders always end up losing their accounts. And only a small percentage are winning. And the reason this statistic remains constant is basically trading success is dependent on the psychology of traders. Human nature never changes, so the same amount of traders will always lose. It's only that small minority who control themselves. So if you want the real secret of success in Forex trading, all you've got to do is look in the mirror, because it lies within you. If you choose to be a disciplined trader, you can make money. In terms of a strategy, a simple strategy is all you need to achieve trading success. You just need to follow it with discipline. So, my own view would be, if you want to win at Forex trading, yes, you can learn a simple strategy. And of course, if you want to, you can choose a disciplined mindset and apply your strategy in the correct way and make money long term in the Forex markets. So thank you for watching this video on Forex trading tips for beginners. If you've got any questions or queries, please feel free to contact me. Thank you and have a good day.